I'm going to read the problem, and then you will answer it in your Google Slides. So Joshua is creating a list of numbers. He wants to add numbers to this list that have an absolute value of less than 10. So again, he wants to add numbers to this list that have an absolute value of less than 10. Which of these numbers will he add to this list? Which of these numbers will he add to this list? So you're going to click inside this box and you can type in these numbers up here that have an absolute value of less than 10. Joshua is also creating a list of opposite numbers. Using these numbers, create a list of opposite numbers. So Joshua is also creating a list of opposite numbers. Using these numbers, create a list of opposite numbers. So I'll do one for you. The opposite of 3 over 5 is negative 3 over 5. And then y'all will do the other numbers. List their opposites. Do not list these numbers. List their opposites. You do not have to do this one. Slide 10. The Percy Eagle football team collected yardage as they drove for a touchdown. The table below shows the yardage for each play. Find the sum. So you are adding together all of these numbers. Find the sum of all of the yardage. 20, negative 10, negative 15, and 10. You're going to type this into the calculator. You are adding each time. You're going to put your answer over in this box. Slide 11, you're going to use this shape and choose circle, and you'll circle your answer, whichever question, whichever choice you think the answer is. Which graphic organizer correctly groups the following numbers? 7.8, negative 6, 5, negative 9.3. So choose your answer for this question. Slide 12. Students created statements about absolute values and opposites. Which statement is true? A. Darian, the absolute value of 25 is larger than the absolute value of negative 25. B. Claire, the opposite of 42 is larger than the opposite of negative 42. C. Grace, the sum of any number and its opposite is 0. D. Natalie, the sum of the absolute values of negative 14 and 14 is 0. So you are putting your answer A, B, C, or D in this box. Slide 13. Sean was playing a game with cards. Red cards are negative numbers and black cards are positive numbers. So you have positive 10, negative 5, positive 6, negative 8, and positive 3. His score was the sum. So again, you're adding all of these numbers. Of the numbers, so here we go. His score was the sum of the numbers on these 5 cards. What was Sean's score? A, 32, B, negative 32, C, 6, D, negative 6. So you're going to put your answer here in the yellow box. And then you do not have to do slide 14. Again, you do not have to do slide 14. So you are doing slides 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 today.